In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to put equations in Google Forms. Google Forms is a versatile tool that helps us collect information or organize surveys and quizzes, but when it comes to including mathematical equations in your Google Forms, things might not seem straightforward at first glance. Don't worry though, I'll walk you through the process so you can add those equations with ease. First off, you'll want to make sure you're logged into your Google account. Head over to Google Forms and sign in using your email address and password. This is your gateway to creating and editing forms, so it's imperative you start here. Once you're signed into Google Forms, navigate to the specific form you'd like to add equations to. If you haven't created one yet, now is the perfect time to start a new one. Remember, Google Forms saves your progress automatically, so you can always come back to finish your work if you get interrupted. Now, the trick to adding equations to Google Forms is by using add-ons which enhance the functionality of Google Forms. One such add-on is MathFlow. To find it, you'll click on the Add-ons button, typically represented by a puzzle piece icon. In the add-ons marketplace, search for MathFlow and install it. This add-on will be your best friend for inserting mathematical and scientific equations into your forms. After installing MathFlow, click on the sidebar editor from the MathFlow options within your Google Forms. This launches a specialized editor where you can craft and format your equations exactly how you need them. Once you've got your equation looking just right in the sidebar editor, the next step is to download or export the equation image. MathFlow makes this easy with the download or export image option. Use it to save your equation as an image file on your computer. With the equation image downloaded, go back to your form and decide where you want to place it. Click on the question or section where you'd like the equation to appear. Then it's simply a matter of uploading the image file of your equation to this question or section. Here's a tip. Make sure the image of your equation is clear and appropriately sized. Google Forms allows you to adjust the size once uploaded, but having it right from the get-go saves you time and ensures your respondents see the equation exactly as you intend. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide on how to add equations to your Google Forms. This method keeps your forms looking professional and makes them more functional for quizzes, surveys, and any form where mathematical expressions are necessary. Remember, the beauty of Google Forms lies in its simplicity and versatility. By adding equations through images, you maintain the aesthetic of your form while providing valuable, complex information. Whether for educational purposes, work, or personal use, this approach will elevate your forms and help you communicate more effectively. Thank you for watching. I hope this tutorial helps you make the most out of Google Forms. Don't forget to experiment with MathFlow and explore other add-ons that can further enhance your forms.